Replacing your doors is a great way to enhance your Kendall home's style, security, and energy efficiency. However, the cost of door replacement can sometimes be intimidating. The good news? With the right strategies, you can find affordable options without compromising on quality or performance. Here are some top tips for budget-friendly door replacement in Kendall. Assess your needs before diving into door replacement. Take time to assess what you truly need. This step helps avoid unnecessary expenses. Consider functionality. Are you replacing a front door for security, a patio door for better views, or interior doors for aesthetics? Material. Different materials come with varying costs. Steel and fiberglass are often more affordable and durable for exterior doors, while hollow core options are budget-friendly for interior doors. Energy efficiency. In Kendall's warm climate, an energy-efficient door can lower cooling costs over time. Look for options with insulated cores or low-E glass for long-term savings. Set a realistic budget. Establish a clear budget that includes both the cost of the door and installation fees. Research average prices for different types of doors to get a sense of what fits within your financial plan. Don't forget to factor in any additional costs, such as new hardware or removal of the old door. Opt for standard sizes. Custom-sized doors or specialty designs can significantly increase costs. If possible, stick to standard-sized doors, which are more readily available and often more affordable. Most door frames in Kendall homes align with standard dimensions, so this can save you money without sacrificing quality or style. Choose affordable materials. The material of your door has a significant impact on the price. Some budget-friendly options include steel doors. These are durable, secure, and cost-effective for exterior doors. Many steel doors are energy efficient and come in a variety of styles. Fiberglass doors. Slightly more expensive than steel but highly durable and resistant to Kendall's humid climate. Hollow core interior doors. Lightweight and inexpensive, these are ideal for bedrooms, bathrooms, and closets. Shop around for deals. Take time to compare prices from various suppliers in Kendall. Local retailers often offer competitive pricing, and shopping during off-peak seasons can lead to discounts. Keep an eye out for seasonal sales. Retailers often discount doors during the fall and winter when demand is lower. Clearance items. Overstocks or discontinued models can provide excellent value. Bundle discounts. Purchasing multiple doors at once or combining with installation services can save money. Reuse existing hardware. If your current door hardware, such as handles, locks, and hinges, is still in good condition, consider reusing it. This not only reduces costs but also ensures continuity in style and design across your home. Handle simple prep work yourself. To cut labor costs, take on some of the preparatory work yourself, such as removing old doors. Carefully remove the existing door if you feel comfortable with the task. Clearing the work area. Ensure the space around the door is clear and accessible for the installation team. Consider DIY installation. If you have the tools and skills, installing the door yourself can save money on labor costs. However, DIY is best suited for simpler projects like interior doors. For exterior doors or energy-efficient models, professional installation ensures proper sealing and alignment. Look for financing options. If replacing a door is an immediate need but the upfront cost feels daunting, explore financing options. Many retailers and installers in Kendall offer payment plans, allowing you to spread the expense over time. Look for low-interest or interest-free options to keep costs manageable. Prioritize energy efficiency. While energy-efficient doors may have a slightly higher initial cost, they provide long-term savings on energy bills. Look for features like insulated cores, weather stripping, and double or triple pane glass for patio doors. These doors keep your home cooler in Kendall's hot climate, reducing strain on your HVAC system. Work with local installers. Partnering with a reputable local installer can help you find affordable options tailored to Kendall's specific needs. Local professionals often have insights into cost-effective materials and installation techniques suitable for the area's climate. Check for rebates and incentives. In some cases, replacing old doors with energy-efficient models qualifies for rebates or tax credits. Check with local utility companies or government programs in Kendall to see if you're eligible for financial incentives. These rebates can help offset the cost of a higher quality door. Conclusion: affordable door replacement made easy. Replacing a door doesn't have to drain your budget. By assessing your needs, choosing cost-effective materials, and shopping smart, you can find high-quality options at an affordable price. With careful planning and the right installation team, you'll not only enhance the look and functionality of your home but also add long-term value. Start exploring budget-friendly door replacement options today and transform your Kendall home with style, efficiency, and savings.